My name is Gregory Hepler. My composition is titled Pirate Ship. It tells the story of a cursed treasure stolen by pirates. The moment they claim it, the sea turns violent, summoning a hurricane that pulls their ships into the depths of the Atlantic. The pirates never return to Spain. Instead, they become eternal prisoners of the treasure, swallowed by the sea which the treasure commands.